Many of us in the US and Australia would be celebrating Mother's Day on the 8th of May. Now, Mother's Day happens to be your one opportunity to say thanks to the one that brought you into this world. But does it come with a little bit of stress? How to give mom an awesome Mother's Day? Join me, I'll tell you how. Mother's Day gifts must reflect how well you know your mom, her likes, dislikes, lifestyle, interests, hobbies. You may take mom shopping for clothes, jewelry, shoes, makeup. If she is not into all of that, try books, magazines, and subscriptions. I personally prefer scarves and bags. One size fits all. You can select from a wide variety of designs, colors, fabrics, textures, and you can buy across seasons. Mother's Day gifts don't always have to be about tangible products. They can be about experiences, historical places, weekend getaways, an all expenses paid trip, tickets to the museum, theatre, opera, musicals, and if mom's sporty and not arty, then you can buy tickets to the Grand Prix, a tennis tournament, maybe a footy match. All said and done, what is that one most important gift that you can give mom? And it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Time. Spend quality time with mom. Take her out for coffee, for lunch, pack a picnic, or organize the quintessential Mother's Day high tea in-house or at one of her favorite restaurants. Mention in comments, would you like an in-house Mother's Day experience or at a favorite restaurant? Let me share with you the video of a high tea my daughter organized for me on lockdown Mother's Day. I really don't know what's happening. All I know is Shilpi and Simba have invited me to a Mother's Day tea party. So come along, join me for the tea party.
Welcome! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Come, Simba.
Let me give you a Mother's Day word. Yeah. Thank you for organizing this. Come, let's take a look. Wow, this really looks amazing. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. You're giving me a cuddle. You're giving me a licky, aren't you?
Simba is such a good boy.
Wonderful. This looks so beautiful. It's even better than going to a restaurant. I mean, you've created a restaurant here for me. Wow.
and such good food, and you've not done sugar.
Yes.
How good is that? Yeah, because I don't have, I have very little or no sugar. So look at this, how very thoughtful. So I've got this wonderful daughter and wonderful son here, and they both they got together and they've set out this spread for me. How lucky am I? And so what do we have here? We've got croissants, we've got sandwiches, we've got a cold platter, a little treats and prawns, seafood. I'm very fond of seafood, and seafood is an Australian favorite. And of course some lovely olive bread. Yeah. So happy Mother's Day to all of you.
How not to miss a single video from Learn with Samita. Simple, one word. And what's that one word? Subscribe. Smash that like button. Comment and share. I personally reply to all your comments. Till next time, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now.